Hey, what's up guys? This is Virgil from WeSupply. Let me show you how you can get your customers to a tracking page that looks like this. This is fully on brand. You can customize the colors, you can customize the fonts, but most importantly, when you are giving your customers a tracking number, you're not sending them to UPS or USPS website, you're bringing them back to your own. And here on this page, you can further advertise the customers, with like new arrivals or different collection, accessories, woman apparel, or even invite them to visit one of your stores. So let me show you in 2 minutes how you can get this page ready for your brand. Okay, so let's head over to the WeSupply admin panel. We go to design, pages, and we're looking for the tracking page. And we click the edit template button. As soon as we click that, here is the current look of your tracking page. As we can see, it's bare bone. But you can quickly see that you can edit colors, edit the fonts. I'm not gonna do that right now. You can go ahead, pick out your colors that match perfectly your brand, your fonts, etc. But I'm going to focus right now on the actual content. So when we go to the content and we compare the two pages, what we currently have with the bare bone account versus fully customized page, we can see we have this middle section. Now this middle section offers a field where if the customer inputs the email address associated with their orders, they're going to be able to pull up the entire order, not just for this shipment, the tracking number, but the full order. And they can actually initiate from here, like a return or whatever it might be. So in order to enable this, we just head over to the admin panel, content, and here we're looking for the top middle section. And we select here in the drop-down menu to enable it. We can upload here different wording, make it very custom to us. We can upload an image, or we can even add custom HTML. And what I mean by that is to add this customer care note. So we do that and we just simply save the middle section. As soon as we enable this, this shows up. Further down, we can add custom HTML. So I'm just going to add some basic information. Of course, I should style this very nicely, but it will do the job for this demo. If you have a developer who has good understanding of HTML, basic understanding of HTML, they can do this in no time for you. So as we can see here, it's already there. For the next, we want to add an image on the right hand side. So we scroll further down to the top right section. Here we can choose if we want to add custom HTML or if we want to upload an image. As soon as we select to upload an image, we have two options: to display images for desktop as well as a custom image for the mobile devices. I'm going to focus right now on the desktop look and select the image top right, select the image, we submit it, and the image is right there. As soon as the image is there, we are going to, it's uploaded, we're going to add the link for this image, and we're going to send it to WeSupplyLabs.com. Basically, you can send them to your website. Make sure you add HTTPS, and we add the title. And the title for this image is going to be New Arrivals. As soon as we add this and we save the section, the image is going to appear. Now, the reason why it didn't appear in the first place when we just uploaded the image was because an image on its own is not really valuable. We want that image to be linked somewhere on your website. So always make sure to add the link as well as to add the title. If we go down, we can see here we have additional 3 columns. So we go here, marketing asset 1, 2, and 3, and we repeat these steps. I'm going to set image 1. Image 1 is for accessories, and we're going to link them. I just pick a link right now. Save image asset 1. Oops, sorry, I forgot to hit the submit button. That's a good way to troubleshoot it. Image number 2. Image number 2 is about woman. Okay, I totally messed it up. Shop woman. Again, I made the same mistake by forgetting to submit it. We should make this automatic probably in the future. And step 3 is to add third image, which is about apparel. Same link, apparel. And this is the third time I make this mistake. But we can see that it all showed up. And now if we go to the front end of the website and we refresh this page, we're going to see what the customer is going to see in the near future as soon as they access this link. So hope this helped, and make sure you fully customize your tracking page, because this can be fully branded and it can generate revenue for your brand. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and we're here to help. Take care.